Today we're reading two Dr. Seuss stories, Lovey Things and Cooking with the Cat. Let's read. Lovey Things, illustrated by Tom Brannan. Thing 1. Thing 2. The things want to show some love to you. Things love to wave and to blow a kiss and to hug each other, just like this. Things love to care. Things love to share. 2 cookies each is fair. Things love to laugh. Things love to play. Things love being together every day. Things love paper, paint, and glue. Things love saying,
I love you.
Cooking with the Cat by Bonnie Worth, illustrated by Christopher Moroney. Look, look, the cat wants to cook. Look, a book. The cat has a cookbook. We need a tin. Which tin will win? The thin tin is best. Put back the rest. We need ham and jam. Lots and lots of pots. We spot the pot. Hot shot into the pot. A pot shot? Not so hot. We take a seat. We start to beat. No, no, no. We do not eat the treat we beat. Do not slop the glop on top. Stop, stop, stop that glop. Mop up that glop. Do not drop the mop in the glop. We heat the treat. A spot on the pot. Got the pot. They are done. A neat seat to eat a treat. We eat and eat and eat and eat. This treat cannot be beat. I hope you enjoyed those short stories. As always, until next time, happy reading.